back in East LA where probably won't be able to get you guys much video. They had the wet cement threes down to 140. They sold out. Olympics, they also had those on sale. All sold out. Dang it. Got here an hour after they opened, so yeah, we sell the Central here, so yeah, not much. I really did not have much there. Damn, I wish I went there early for the Kobe's too, just like Watts, but it is what it is. Do got a Foot Locker outlet where you get 50% off almost everything. All right, so I did come here because I was hoping to get some 574s that I did leave last week. And yeah, they did sell. It was a size 10. They were down to 30 bucks. I was like, I wonder if my boy would like the color green. He's like, oh, that's my favorite color. I was like, man, what? Old ass Foot Locker has a favorite color, but but yeah, dude got these. I didn't show these last time. Someone was like, "Oh, the Bruce Lees." Now these ain't the Bruce Lees. These are the Marvel collab. This is the Wolverine version right here. It says Wolverine right there. These are going for 35 bucks. Remember, this is the last size section, so these are going to be the last several sizes of these. They are going to be 50% off. These next gens right here, they're going for 47 something. That's hella cheap. These are down to 40. Cheetos collab right here. Finally down to single, because they've had these forever, haven't they? $60 for those. Oh no, it's the Scoots that they had forever. Bunch of Crocs. Look at this. $10 after the 50% off. That's a collab with that cartoon or comic or whatever. But yeah, they got a bunch of Crocs going for $10. Human race size. These retailed for $100. $100. They're down to $10 freaking dollars. This looks like a size 11. Size 13, my bad. Size 13. Then you got Chucks right here, go for $10. Got these, $5 for the Adelaide slides right here. Some Filas. If you need some Filas, go ahead. $10 RSX. Also got some Converse, going for $10 freaking dollars. Holy cow, that's crazy. And then more of these mom-looking Crocs right here, $10 a piece for those. Jordan slides right here, go for 15. So this is the last size section right here. And they got all kinds of stuff in the middle right here where it's pretty much 50% off. And they got their men's section right here where it's 50% off. Already reduced prices. And they got men's section right here with 50% off retail. We checked out the sales, or I want to say the sales section, but I guess the last size section in the men's. Check out the apparel. This is the section where you get 75% off. And they got jaw merch right here for 75% off. It's an additional 50% off the regular 50. Yeah, these are going for 50 bucks. So it's at $12.50. I see small, large, I see mediums. Oh, but these are different shirts in the back. So they just have a few of the jaw shirts. These some board shorts? Nike board shorts? Okay. $75, and they go by waist size. Oh, I've never seen so many board shorts here. That's crazy. $75, $74. These are all 75% off. Do got the basketball shirts with the players. They still got Durant right here. Durant, the least popular basketball player. Got Edwards. Of course, sizing definitely an issue. I have no clue what anime character this is. This shirt's bright as hell though. It's just way too bright. Feels a more neutral color. Might get it for my kid. $35 for those. Back in the men's section. This one really stuck out right here. This is a Curry. Dang, dude, this fits all my Under Armour stuff. By all my Under Armour stuff, I mean one hoodie. My Project Rock hoodie. This would match that way better than the shoes that I did get. I think I paid 40 something. This is going for $35. This is size 11 on display. I got some majority white ones right here. $35. 35 bucks. 40 for the baby blue one right here. What is these, the twos or something? The twos? The fours right here. The fours going for 40. One of the best collection of discounted Currys that I've ever seen. $40. Then do got the Curry fours right here. I couldn't recognize. I had to look at this one up. They got Legacy 312s going for 55. They got these going for 50. I know these are discounted 50% off because they've had plenty of these here, and plenty of you all have grabbed these cleats. Oh yeah, I did talk to them last time. They told me anything with these exclusive tags, they are not 50% off. So these dunks right here, these are not 50% off. They are going for $80. That is very smart of them. Like these Jaw ones right here, I believe these are not 80, not 50% off. But these right here are, so these are going for 35 bucks. Dang, I wish I came here to buy. Oh, I did come here, but I bought them the other ones, yeah. And they have Converse going for 15 bucks. This one's definitely interesting with those weird laces. Their basketball shoe, $15. Regular Converse going for 10 bucks. Also got Reeboks right here. Superstars, $15 Superstars. These look like bigger sizes though. This look like a size 12, 11.5 on display. Got Forums right here, $15 Forums. Are you effing serious? Color's a little whatever on this, but that's hella cheap. Converse, 15 if you like one that kind of looks a little messy. Got more and more shorts on sale right here. Got Laker shorts right here. They look like swimming trunks. I think they are swimming trunks. $75. You do get an extra 50% off. These are Pro Standard, which is not cheap. I don't see anything else that really stands out. They got like Nike shorts, basketball shorts right here. Got running shorts, 50% off. These are going for $55. I don't think I showed these LeBrons last week. $65 for LeBrons. LeBron 21s. These are leather. Or I don't know if it's fake leather, real leather, but it is leather. And yeah, these look nice, dude. These look nice. I think this is the exact one I have at home. I did buy one for hoops, and then I found some other shoes. Cushioning on these are supposed to be pretty nice. I don't think they're top tier, but they're pretty nice. But yeah, 65 bucks. Not any. You're not gonna find any cheaper. These are excluded from the discount because it has this little sticker right there, or has this hang tag. And sometimes it's just random what's not on sale, what is on sale. Old schools go for regular price. Chucks right here. OG Chucks go for regular price. They do got these right here. Okay. Mad. What the hell are these called? The Crazy Infinities, I think. But yeah, 160, I guess, or 50 off. 574s, no extra discounts on these. I can't wait till these go down. That's a pretty dope colorway. The material is really nice too. Like that soft, extra soft suede. Dude, to be able to get Bondis for 50% off. Color, not digging too much, but these Bondis are pretty comfy. It's a 2E, so I believe that's a pretty wide. It's not extra wide, but it is wider than normal. And they've got the Cliftons right here as well. And Hoka's, I always thought they were like the most cushiony shoe ever, and then like the newer technology coming on some of the other shoes lately, just so much better. Like this is just EVA foam, so it is a little bit cheaper, but yeah, still not bad, especially for 50% off. And I do feel that the EVA foam, that is going to last a lot longer than the Zoom X with Nike, with Ultra Boost and stuff like that. So yeah, so there's goods and negatives, you know, it is what it is. And it seems like they got a lot of Air Forces. Look at this, and you do get 50% off most of these, so that's pretty dope. I don't see any of those hang tags on there that show that they're not discounted. This one's definitely interesting, and look at this one. Can you wear this with your Dodgers gear? I think you can. Patent leather, tons of patent leather on it. Yeah, these look pretty dope. 125. So what is that? 62.50. Got more Air Forces up top. Got snake skin leather right there. They got these. We've seen these discounted at a lot of spots. But yeah, these are going for what, 90, so 45 here. GT Cut 3s with its premium Zoom X cushioning. These have a lot of really good cushioning. 190 for these bad boys. I was thinking about getting some of these, a little less stable than the GT Jumps and stuff, especially in the heel area, but still hella comfy. And to be able to get these for 50% off, that's amazing. These are $200, so $100 after discount. Also still got these as well. So much cushioning. If you guys haven't tried these on, just at least try them on. Y'all know what you guys are missing out on. By you guys, I mean What we are missing out on, because I don't have one of these as well. I bought two, but ended up giving them away. I was like, who did I give them away to? I gave one of my pops. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I gave one to, okay, I know who I gave it to. Okay, it is what it is. I gave it to my ex's nephew. That's who I gave it. He's a runner. So I was like, hey, go ahead and grab these. They're slightly small on me. They were size 10. I like the size 10 and a halves. But yeah, that is everything on the men's wall right here. I do want to clarify, there are certain items that are not 50% off. There are very few and far between. Most of them have the tags. There might be a few in here that don't have tags that are not 50% off. So you have to come here and you have to ask the workers. Do got some of the newer Crocs. I don't know the name of all these, but this is like the newer design. These are going for $15. Got that color right there, and then got some of the insulated ones with that fluffy stuff inside. These are going for $15 a piece. And then got some of the regular ones down there. Smaller sizes go for $20 and $15. I did get clarification from the workers. I'm so glad when they correct me, because yeah, this side isn't 50% off. Like I said, all this stuff over here, you do get the 50% off because there's a huge sign that says so. Some of them it's off the regular price, like these Captain America ones. Some of them you get a discount and then you get 50% off, like these Nightmare on Elm. I'd say Nightmare on Elm Street, Nightmare Before Christmas ones. And then even these Hello Kitty ones right here, even these bad boys. And then sometimes ask, because these don't have a price on it, but if you ask them, sometimes they do come out cheaper. Oh wait, oh look, it has a tag, so not 50% off. So regular price for these, but it might be discounted though. Sometimes they forget to mark it. It might be discounted, like these right here. These are going for $40 at least. Yeah, see, they've been doing a good job putting on those exclusive stickers that show that they're not discounted. That helps. There are a lot of these sneakers in the middle of the store. They are the same thing as the stuff on the side, but there are a few things that aren't necessarily on the walls, including these $35. I'm gonna keep showing you guys these. They only have bigger sizes, it looks like, the 11 and 13s, but yeah, $35 for those. That's almost free, dude. That is just ridiculous. And then dude got the Reebok, what are these, Answer pumps right here, $35. Then these Ultra Boosts. I've heard from several of you guys that have gotten these Ultra Boosts because they're down to $35, dude. 35 effing dollars. I did pass on these because I have multiple Ultra Boosts at home that I haven't worn. Like they're still DS, so yeah, I'm gonna pass on those. But looks like they only have bigger sizes. But I showed you guys these for the last few weeks, so you guys should have already grabbed them by now. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's section back here. A poofy jacket? Oh, okay. I was like, is this a Jordan poofy jacket? It's a Locker brand poofy jacket right here, 50% off, $80. So $40 for that. That's not bad. Are these really on sale? There's no way these are 50% off. No, it's just hella cheap. I do need to get shoes for my friend's kiddos, but this color, like, well, most girls like this color. I don't know. They are high school kids, so I know that they're a little more picky about what they're gonna wear. But yeah, I do got these. I don't know if these are 50% off. That's crazy. Might be the cheapest we've seen. I think they are discounted because look, this one does have a hang tag. Those other ones did not. This one does neither. So I think they're doing a good job of marking down what's 50 off, what's not. That's hella cheap. $40 for the Cosmic Unity 3s. These suedes right here. I kind of like these a little more than those. The price is a little bit higher. They got the Nimbus 26s right here down to $55. Size, man, these look hella comfy, dude. Max cushion. Look at that midsole in the back. $55 for those. And is this the same one? Oh, this is a Nova Blast 4. I guess the midsole looks slightly different. Rarely ever see the On running shoes on sale. So yeah, those bad boys on sale right there. That's crazy. And then we got Bondis in women's sizing as well. $130, so $65. Is that what those are going for? That's crazy. And dude got some, what are these, the Clifton 9s right here, 50% off retail. Air Max 1s right here, $35, 3 different colorways. Forces right here. Oh, that's not bad. $35 for these bad boys. I don't know how Forces fit though. because I feel like they're like half a size big. So I really don't want to get this for that kiddo. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna probably end up being back here anyways. $40 for these right here. It's a pretty neutral colorway right here. This will match with almost anything. Let's see if they have the size that I need. Let's see if they have the size that I need. 8. What do I need? A size 8.5? 8.5, I think. I thought this was gray. This is like slightly greenish. This is slightly greenish, I think, huh? Oh, dang it, I don't know if that's gonna work. What colors do you guys see? Is this green or is this gray? A little green or gray?
Gray.
Is it gray? Okay, they're telling me gray. I don't know, my eyes, oh, maybe they're right. Maybe they're right. I'm so stupid. But yeah, they don't have a size 8.5. They have a size like 9, 8, like 11. They have other sizes, but not my size, dang it. Yeah, and I don't want to get those for her because those are going to be too hard to match with stuff. Yeah, and I remember in high school, it's not like you have like all the clothes you need, or all the clothes you want, that is. And then breaking news, I did talk to workers. You do get a discount on these now. So $30 Jordan 2s. I think I paid $28 for them. And they do have a 10.5. They do have a 10.5. They don't have all sizes. They have several sizes in there, but they do have a 10.5. They go for $60 freaking down to $30, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. And those of you guys new to my channel, they do have a kids Foot Locker that's not included as a part of the outlet. So they do have deals there, but not 50% off everything. All right, didn't find anything that I'm looking for, but yeah, definitely worth the stop. One of my favorite stores, the Foot Locker outlet. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. We out, man. We out.